Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Thursday, 31st March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT is 232.62 and with VAT is 267.51. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 213.55 and with VAT is 245.58. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 203.54 and with VAT is 234.07. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 174.47 and with VAT is 200.64. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 136.08 and with VAT is 156.49. For the 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 97 and with VAT is 111.55. Last but not the least, for the 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 58.16 and with VAT is 66.88. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. If you have any comments or remarks, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.